Authorities believe a body found on train tracks Saturday in Buffalo, New York belongs to a 22-year-old, according to Tiara Lott had been since January 29, the outlet reported. Her death is being investigated as a homicide. Before her, Lott reportedly sent a cryptic text to a friend. Lott's mother previously told the outlet that the 22-year-old had video chatted with her friends before. During the video call, Lott's face appeared to be bruised, Patricia Davis told the outlet. The friend reportedly asked Lott for an address to send an Uber to. Davis asked her, "What's the address?" "To send an Uber," and the phone hung up. Davis then 10 minutes later she sent out, "God forbid, if anything happens to me, that I love y'all and tell everybody." Police are waiting results to confirm Lott's identity, but had reason to believe they had recovered. The police already notified Lott's family, reported. Lott's last known location was a house in the Lovejoy neighborhood, according to the outlet. Lott's family had recovered some of her items there. "We found her clothes in the house, her boots," Davis. "We went back to the house 4 days later, and we found my baby's coat with her." Lott's family claims she was last with her boyfriend, although the family has not heard from him since her, the outlet reported.